Union Health Minister Mansukh Mandaviya today tweeted that Johnson & Johnson's single-dose COVID-19 vaccine has been approved for emergency use in India. India expands its vaccine basket. Now India has 5 EUA vaccines. This will further boost our nation's collective fight against COVID-19, he wrote in his tweet. The special cell of the Delhi police has arrested 4 people and seized 12 kilograms of heroin worth rupees 48 crore in the international market. According to the police, one of the accused had made a secret cavity beneath the truck's footrest to hide packets of heroin. The interrogation revealed that the heroin was channeled into India's northeastern states from Myanmar. Due to the blockade of National Highway 306 from the Assam side, Mizoram is facing a shortage of essential COVID-19 testing kits, reagents and life-saving drugs, State Rural Development Minister Lalruat Khema said today. Sample testing in Mizoram is getting capped based on the available stock, he added. The highway was blocked after violence alongside the interstate border last month. China is trying to recruit youths from Arunachal Pradesh in the Chinese People's Liberation Army, said former Congress MP Ninong Ering. As per the information we have received so far, the Chinese PLA is trying to recruit youths from Tibet as well as Arunachal. It is a matter of grave concern and Union Defence Ministry and Home should take it seriously, said the former Lok Sabha Member of Parliament. Anti-government protesters in Thailand clashed with police as they demonstrated against the government's failure to handle COVID-19 outbreaks and its impact on the economy. Police fired tear gas and rubber bullets at protesters as they marched towards Prime Minister Prayut Chan-o-cha's office demanding his resignation. Thailand today reported 21,838 new COVID-19 cases, its highest one-day jump so far. Javelin thrower Neeraj Chopra has become the first ever Indian to win a gold medal in athletics at Olympics. The 23-year-old won the javelin throw final at Tokyo Olympics with a best throw of 87.58 meters. Neeraj's gold is also India's first Olympic medal in athletics since 1900 Games. India has recorded their best medal tally in the history of Olympics after winning 7 medals at the Tokyo Olympics, overtaking their previous best tally of 6 medals in 2012 Games. India won 1 gold, 2 silver and 4 bronze medals at Tokyo Games. India's gold, won by javelin thrower Neeraj Chopra, is the first in athletics in Olympics history.